Welcome back. 7 Yemeni and 2 Saudi Arabian nationals were arrested on Friday for allegedly stealing a pet dog at Donapaula. Panji police have filed an offence against them under Section 151 of CRPC.
The incident occurred on Friday night. Panji police took 9 youth in custody following complaint that a pet dog was stolen by them earlier in the day. These 9 youth were in state for education purpose. Out of them, 7 are Yemeni and 2 are South Arabian. Al-Hussein Hamid Ahmad, age 24 from Yemen. Al-Hassan Hamid Ahmad, age 24 from Yemen. Khaled Ahmad Ali, age 38 from Yemen. Hassan Muhammad Hussein Ismail, age 20 from Saudi Arabia. Mohammed Salim Omar, age 20 from Yemen. Faisal Hassan Alzubidir, age 19 from Yemen. Ahamen Abdo Ali, age 24 from Yemen. Zaimaktuf Salim, age 21 from Saudi Arabia, and Sala Sidque, age 20 from Yemen. The dog belongs to Pinto family from Donapaul. A German Shepherd was found in days. The dog was missing since Friday morning. Police have now registered an offence under Section 151 of CRPC. Further investigation is on. A video journalist Omar for Prudent.
And now look at the other events in the state.
Shortcut, a Konkani drama written by Suchita Narvekar, was released on Friday in Panji. Business tycoon Vishwas Rao Dempo, journalist Sandesh Prabhudesai, artist and journalist Jawahar Barve, Rajdeep Naik and others were present.
म्हणजे कोंकणी बरोवपाची आवड तयार झाली पण नाटक कशें बरोवपाक लागले जाल्यार जेन्ना हौसान नाटक करताले जावं किंवा कला चेतना संस्थेन जेन्ना नाटक करताले तेन्ना फक्त नाटकां करप जायनाशिल्ली जाल्यार ताचेर बरीचशी चर्चा जाताली वराची वरां दिसाची दीस फक्त चर्चा जावप की हाचेर कितें करपाक जाता दिग्दर्शक सांगता म्हणूनच अमकें करूया अशें ना जाल्यार कितें नक्की करपाक जाता कितें केलें जाल्यार वायट जातलें कितें केलें जाल्यार बरें जातलें ही चर्चा घडये म्हाका नाटक आयज बरयतना उपकाराक पडली आसपाक शकता.
Muslim community will celebrate Popular Front Day on 17 February. The front has planned a series of events on the occasion.
17 February जो आसा आमचो फाउंडर्स डे पॉप्युलर फ्रंट डे म्हणून आमी मनयतले आणि ह्या पॉप्युलर फ्रंट डेक आमी जायते प्रोग्राम्स आयोजीत करून हाडल्या तातूंत एक मडगांवां आनी फोंडें अशें आमी 2 कडेन थाराव घेतिल्लो आसा प्रोग्राम्स करपाचो.
120-meter long wall of Indian Oil Corporation has been painted by international artists from 15 different countries at Vasco. The theme of the painting was to keep our planet alive. This event was jointly headed by Tailors Art Association with Department of Art and Culture. Art and Culture Minister Dayanand Mandrekar met the artist. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Goa Athletic Association in collaboration with SAG will organize the 45th State Level Athletic Championship on 19th and 20th February at Campal. Around 800 athletes will be participating in this championship. The budget has been estimated up to 2.5 lakh rupees. SAG have released organizational grants of 1 lakh rupees.
Goa Athletic Association, in collaboration with the Sports Authority of Goa, will be organizing its 45th State Level Athletic Championship on 19th and 20th of February at SCG grounds, Campal. The event will commence at 8 am on 19th February. It is being organized for the age group of under 14, under 16, under 18, and under 20 years for boys and girls, and senior men and women. We are expecting about 800 minimum athletes who have already confirmed their participation in this athletic meet. The estimated budget is around 2.5 lakhs. The Sports Authority of Goa have released the organizational grant of rupees 1 lakh.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.